Good morning, friends. Today I am Chandan Singh. I will be discuss about a new topic that is called lysosome. That is very important for the purpose of NEET, and there are many questions arises in this topic in their entrance exam. So let's be start about the topic of the lysosomes. Basically, friends, this lysosomes is a very important cell organelles which are very act as the activity as a toxic material which are produced inside the cell, and this is the toxic material are removed by this particular cell organelles. So how this role play? Basically, friend, these lysosomes are formed by the associations, gatherings of the Golgi apparatus, that is also called SER, and Golgi bodies. That is very important cell organelles, and this cell organelles is also formed by the formation of the cisternae. Cisternae, that is the pouch-like structures and sac-like structures which is arranged as parallel and form the different type of pouches are interact with each other and form the structure of the Golgi apparatus, that is called Golgi bodies and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now it will further form the some little tube-like structures from the Golgi apparatus. It will form that some little tube-like structures that is called lysosomes. So lysosomes is very important cell organelles which is further formed by the small cisternae-like structures that is called Golgi apparatus, and it will further move to form tube-like structures that is called lysosomes. One more thing is very important. This is the cell organelles is called single cell organelles. Single cell organelles. This is the very important. This is the cell organelles is single cell, and it will release some hydrolytic enzyme. This hydrolytic enzyme is named as lysozyme, glycosidase, protease. These are the different type of enzyme are released from the lysosomes, which are help to destroy the cell. This is help to destroy the cells. Why it is need to destroy the cells? Whenever the cells are damaged, any particular activity, if the toxic materials is not removed from the cells, if the condition is, I just mentions the condition, whenever the cells are not capable to remove the toxic material inside from the cells, so in that conditions the lysosomes produce some hydrolytic enzyme, that is very important enzyme which are released from the lysosomes, and these are the enzyme are acting on the cells to destroy all the activity and burn out all the cell organelles and also all the whole material of the cells, and that condition the cell are completely damaged. This is the activities to name the new term that is called suicidal bug. So lysosomes is also called suicidal bug. So that is very important questions. So why it is called suicidal bug? Whenever the cells are damaged any particular activity, so that lysosome is release some lysozymes, glycosidic enzyme, protease enzyme. These are the enzyme to destroy the cells. So that condition is called suicidal bug for that particular of the lysozyme. So now that is very important. One more thing is very important. These all are the materials of the cells where it is present. So lysosomes is basically present in all the eukaryotic cells which are belong to the plant cell as well as animal cell. But some exceptions is most we require. The first one is prokaryotic cells as well as the fungi and some bacteria. They are present. This is the lysosome and cell organelles are present that particular their body. So that is very important value. Okay, how to know about the lysosome occurrence. So lysosome basically occur most of the 90% is eukaryotic cells which are belong to the plant cell as well as animal cell. But it is also some ascriptions, that is bacteria, fungi, and some prokaryotic cell. So you note down in your notebooks how can we differentiate that particular points about the lysozyme. So that is very little bit information about the lysozyme. Friends, ये वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा है आप प्लीज कमेंट दीजिए, फिर से नेक्स्ट वीडियो मिलेंगे. बाय बाय, थैंक यू.